This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So what is the importance of today?
Mental Health Day.
Nana? Yeah, what are you saying?
Mental Health Day, sir.
Health?
Mental Health Day, sir.
Very good, very good. So October 10th has been celebrated as World Mental Health Day. So what is the theme for this year? So any motto for this year? Anyone? Let's invest in mental health. Let's invest in mental health, not only physical fitness or anything, something like stock exchanges, not like that. You have to invest something for yourself and for the sake of others. Let's invest in mental health. That means you have to give some health education regarding mental health or to the surrounding people. That is the main motto for this year. Okay, previously we discussed so many things in mental health, how you will define mental health, what are the various classifications of mental health, what are the various causes for deterioration of this mental health. Okay, and what are the warning signals or what are the poor mental health signals for these things? Okay, let's revise all these things. పోయినసారి సడన్ గా క్లాస్ కట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా, నేను కట్ అయిపోయిందని చెప్పుకుంటూనే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా, అంతేనా? పోయినసారి ఎక్కడ ఆగిపోయాం? So what is the national health program related to this mental health? Yes, I need answer. What is the national health program related to this mental health? Anyone? Vanya anta, roll number 40. Roll number 50, Gautam. Roll number 132, Tejashwini. You people there? Very good, right? National mental health program. Very good, Vijita. Very good, very good. So what are the poor signals, I mean poor mental health conditions, or what are the warning signals for the mental health? Anyone? What are the warning signals?
Depression. Low mood.
Warning signals, Nana. Okay, depression is an it's a clinical condition. Okay,
Low mood or anger.
What?
Anger. Is it anger for no reason?
Appetite, sir.
Okay.
All symptoms.
ఏంటి సుజిత్, ఏంటి?
Insomnia, sir.
Very good. Are you questions? You should be starting like that only. I told you na, certain questions. Okay, so these are the prehistoric times. Lobotomy, all these people suffered due to some mental health condition. Okay, this is the definition for that. A state of balance. My definition is always important. A state of balance between individual and the surrounding world, and the state of harmony one with himself or herself, and between the realities of the self and that of other people and that of environment. Okay, and these are the good mental health at individual level. That means a mentally healthy person is always not in a war with himself. He is well adjusted. He has strong sense of self-esteem. He knows himself, good control balances, and he faces problems and try to solve them intelligently. So I told you these are the characteristics of a mentally healthy person. He feels comfortable. He feels right towards others, able to meet his demands of life. Okay, all these things. And these are the warning signals. Amma, this is an important short notes for you people. Short notes always. Nowadays, mental health is gaining a much more importance, and lot of things happening towards mental health. A lot of seminars, lot of educational programs, lot of public health awareness programs are directing towards psychological disorders. That's why nowadays these mental health is gaining so much of interest. And these are the warning signals. Are you always worrying? Are you always unable to concentrate? Continuously unhappy? Did you lose temper easily? Are you troubled by regular insomnia? Very good, someone said that. And do you have wide fluctuations in your mood apart from the hormonal imbalance? Okay. Then do you continually dislike to be with the other people? Did you continuously upset with the things if daily routine are disturbed? Okay. Did your children consistently get your nerves? Okay. Are you browned off? Are you afraid without real cause? Okay. Are you always right and the other person is always wrong? And you have numerous aches and pains that nobody can have a salvation for that. These things are warning signals for the mentally ill health patient. And I told you these are the various ICD classification of mental and behavioral disorders. That is the name given to those mental disorders and behavioral disorders. Okay, and these are the various things. My people coping up. Follow అవుతున్నారు కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
మనకు అందరి దగ్గర నుంచి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కావాలి. చాలా డమ్ అయిపోయినారు మీరు అసలు. I need everyone to react. ఏంటా ఎవడు చూస్తాలే, ఎవడు పట్టించుకుంటాలే అనే మైండ్ సెట్ లోనే ఉన్నారు. ప్లీజ్ డూ చేంజ్. ఎవడు ఎలా ఉంటున్నాడని కనిపెట్టలేనంత స్టేజ్ లో అయితే లేము. ఏదో ఒక రోజు క్లాస్ రూమ్ కి అయితే వస్తారు కదా. One day you will come to the classroom. Then I will find out. ఆన్లైన్ లోనే మనం రియాక్ట్ అయితే కనిపెడతారు, కనిపెట్టలేరు. క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో రియాక్ట్ అయితే కనిపెడతారు. I need everyone to react and everyone to feedback and everyone to answer. This is not some one-way traffic. ఊరికే అటెండెన్స్ పెట్టుకోవడం తప్ప ఏం చేయట్లేదు మీరు. I mean, some people are responding, but only those are the people who are responding continuously. Till now, I didn't say certain person is talking, certain new person is talking. If I call by the name, they are not replying. ఓన్లీ రెగ్యులర్ గా ఒక 10-15 మంది రిప్లై ఇస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళే రిప్లై ఇస్తున్నారు, అంతేగాని కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరు రిప్లై చేయట్లేదు. ఇదేం వన్ వే ట్రాఫిక్ కాదు. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి బోత్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సైడ్ అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్. I hope you understand. Yes, these are the various behavioral disorders classified under ICD-10. So major illnesses, I told you, they have classified into major illnesses and minor illnesses. That means psychosis, completely off from the realities. Completely off from the realities. The person who is diagnosed with psychosis doesn't know what is happening in the real world. He always stays in his world or in her world. And the classic examples will be schizophrenia, split personality disorder, and maniac depressive psychosis. This is also one of the life-threatening disorder, and paranoia. And then comes minor illnesses, that is neurosis or psychoneurosis, and personality and character disorders. Some day-to-day life we feel these things like depression, anger issues, morbid fears, obsessions, compulsions, like these things. Type A personality disorders. And I told you what are the basic difference between neurosis and psychosis. Okay, in psychosis, all the inside judgment, contact with the realities will be gone, completely waved off. Whereas in neurosis, all these things will be preserved. Judgment will be there, insight will be there, foresight will be there. The person will definitely will know what are the consequences of the present behavior. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్లు బిహేవ్ చేస్తే దాని ఫ్యూచర్ కాన్సిక్వెన్సెస్ ఏమిటి అనేది న్యూరోసిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇల్నెసెస్ లో డెఫినెట్లీ దోస్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి ప్రిజర్వ్డ్. బట్ ఇన్ సైకోసిస్ all these things will be lost. That is the basic difference between neurosis and psychosis. Yeah, we have gone through these kind of cases, depersonalization and acute psychosis. And yeah, I told you to read about psychoactive and psychotropic drugs. What are the basic differences and what are the basic examples for that? నేను చెప్పాను చదువుకోమని, చదివారా? సైకో యాక్టివ్ డ్రగ్స్ అంటే ఏమిటి, సైకోట్రోపిక్ డ్రగ్స్ అంటే ఏమిటి? ఎనీవన్? యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ ఆల్సో, యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ ఇన్ చాట్ బాక్స్ ఆల్సో. ప్రజెంట్ సార్ అని చెప్పే బదులు నా క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆన్సర్ కూడా మీరు ఇలా టైప్ చేసి పంపించవచ్చు. Anyone, please? I told you to read. I told you to know the basic difference between psychoactive and psychotropic. Anyone? Anyone? See, no answer. వై? నేనేమన్నా ఐఏఎస్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగానా? It's a very simple thing and you people not able to answer. Bitterly disappointed with you people. పోనీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ కన్నా చెప్తారా? What do you mean by psychoactive? Fine. So what are the various causes for all these mental health issues? So they have said that one will be organic conditions like cerebral arteriosclerosis, neoplasms, metabolic diseases, neurological diseases, endocrine diseases, and chronic diseases such as tuberculosis, leprosy, and epilepsy. Yeah, a question would adigana anukunta. What do you mean by self eating disorder, self mutilation? Self mutilation disorder. First year biochemistry. What is the basic physiological or chemical defect in Lesch-Nyhan syndrome?
Biting of nails,
ఈ
angerness.
క్వశ్చన్
Biting of nails.
ఏనా
Biting of fingers and nails, sir.
నెయిల్స్ కాదు, వాడు ఫింగర్స్ మొత్తం దీంతో సహా తినేస్తాడు, ఫింగర్స్ తో సహా తినేస్తాడు, నాట్ ఓన్లీ నెయిల్స్. వై వై why he is self mutilating himself? Why? Anyone? Kishore, roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకు నాన్న, ఎందుకు?
Sir.
ఏం క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడుగుతానని అర్థమైందా నీకు?
Will you repeat the question, sir? Sir,
ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయినావు, క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగినా అని తెలియదు. చెప్తున్నా, శేషాశ్రీ రోల్ నెంబర్ 121. Why there has been self mutilating? రేవంత్ చెప్పరా, 110, రోల్ నెంబర్ 110. రోల్ నెంబర్ 112 ప్రశాంత్, ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్. చెప్పు. వై ఎ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ హార్మింగ్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్, ఎందుకు వానికి వాడే వేళ్లతో సహా కొరుకొని తినేస్తున్నాడు? ఆ సిండ్రోమ్ ఏంటి? ఆ సిండ్రోమ్ నేనే చెప్పా, లీష్-నాయిన్ సిండ్రోమ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ డిఫెక్ట్? anyone?
Deficiency of phosphatidylhydrotransferase, sir.
So what happens?
అంటే X chromosome genetic HPR location లో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది.
ఎక్స్ట్రా అర్థం కాదు.
యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ అక్యుములేషన్.
వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న, యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ అక్యుములేషన్ అవుతుంది. సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అబ్బాయి, అసలు ఎందుకు మీరు ఇంత ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు? సో దట్ dehydrogenase enzyme will be lost, so that accumulation of this uric acid will be there. That's why he feels constant irritation or constant this thing tendency to chew it off. సో ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఆ నవ్వకి ఏం చేస్తాడు, వాడు కొరుక్కొని ఫింగర్స్ అన్ని పోతాయి వానికి. హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ సీన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ సెల్ఫ్ మిటిలేషన్?
సార్,
యా, ఇఫ్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ లైఫ్ టైం అలాంటి పేషెంట్స్ చూశారంటే జీవితంలో మర్చిపోలేరు వాళ్ళని. హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ ఏ కేస్ ఆఫ్ కొరియా? What do you mean by Korea? CHROEA, Korea.
Involuntary movements.
Very good, ma. Hitaishi. What do you mean by that? Involuntary jerky movements of the patients. Okay, where did you find this Korea?
హాస్పిటల్ వచ్చింది సార్, శ్రీనివాస్ సార్.
ఏనా ఎక్కడ? డిజార్డర్.
Parkinson's.
Very good. Parkinson disorder, you will find that. ఒక్కసారి చూసారంటే సైడెన్హామ్స్ కొరియాని అస్సలు మర్చిపోలేరు. ఇన్వాలంటరీ జర్కీ మూమెంట్స్ the patient, you will feel that he is acting, but all the controls will be, the movements will be, motor movements will be not in his control or her control. Involuntary movements will be there. These are the some metabolic related disorders. Not only all the things comes from mentally ill patients. Due to some metabolic disorders also, certain persons may expressed as a mentally ill persons. And these are the classic examples for that. And these are the causes. And the main cause, the main reason for these mental illness or behavioral disorders will be hereditary also. If the forefathers and their fathers and their fathers at some point of having this kind of mental and behavioral disorders, certainly these things will pass on to their progenies or their future generations. And social pathological causes also, certain social pathological causes also there, like depression, okay, worries, job satisfactions, okay, broken families, okay, what do you call that, spoiled youth in our surroundings. All these things will be socio-pathological causes. And there are certain toxic substances will be, and these will cause some mentally deranged or behavioral changes, and those things will be carbon disulfide, mercuries, manganese, tin, lead compounds, etc., etc. What do you mean by basophilic stippling? And where did you find basophilic stipplings?
Lead poisoning.
Very good. Lead poisoning. You will find basophilic stippling. Okay, and psychotropic drugs. See, ikkade chudandi. Psychotropic means barbiturates, alcohol, and diazepam. That means tendency to lose his temper easily. Loss of judgment will be there. Psychotropic. The normal judgment and normal psychoactive balances will be lost with these drugs. Barbiturates, alcohol, and diazepam. So where did you use the diazepam? What is the classification for this diazepam?
Antifungal.
Very good, ma.
Antifungal drug.
Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Antifungal. But do not recommend this griseofulvin. Why? Because it definitely change the equilibrium between normal and abnormal. And certain nutritional factors like a deficiency of thiamine and pyridoxine. Can you tell me the example for this? Deficiency of thiamine causes which neurological disorder?
Beriberi, sir.
Very good, excellent. Okay, which one? What is the classic symptoms for this beriberi? What will happen? A person is suffering from beriberi.
Neuropathies.
Inka?
appetite changes, pain in
Okay,
limbs.
very good. చదవాలా ఇవన్నీ మనం సింపుల్ అనుకుంటాం కానీ when you come to the answering, definitely చదవండి. Beriberi, what are the symptoms and signs of berry? Okay, and certain minerals do causes loss of mental health, that is a deficiency of iodine. ఏమవుతుంది చిన్నప్పుడే if you diagnosed with low iodine, what will happen to the newborn babies?
Mentally retarded.
Very good, mentally retarded. Then comes infective agents, that is measles and rubella. This will cause certain behavioral disorders and mental disorders. And traumatic factors, so many things. Road accidents will cause certain traumatic, and occupational accidents also do cause some behavioral changes. And radiation also do causes some certain behavioral disorders. The nervous system is the most sensitive for this radiation. Ivanni causes nana. Question will be like this. What are the warning signals of a poor mentally ill health patient, and what are the various causes for these mental and behavioral disorders? The question will be like this only. So you will explain what are the warning signals, and you will explain what are the causes and etiological factors for these mentally poor health conditions. Then what are the crucial points in the life? So what is the main crucial points in life that will affect in our further life in future? This is the in terms of only mental behavioral disorders, that is prenatal period. During prenatal period, if the mother is suffering from any kind of mental disorders or mentally rearranged or any imbalance between her psychosis, definitely the child is going to be affected with the behavioral changes. Definitely కావాలంటే చూడండి, ప్రెగ్నెంట్ మదర్ కానీ హ్యాపీగా కానీ లేకపోతే కన్నా డెఫినెట్లీ ద చైల్డ్ విల్ బి ఫీలింగ్ డిప్రెసివ్. డెఫినెట్ ఇది. దట్స్ వై గ్రోత్ ఇంట్రాయూటరైన్ గ్రోత్ రిటార్డేషన్ కానీ మెంటల్ రిటార్డేషన్ కానీ వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ దట్ మాల్ అబ్జార్ప్షన్ కానీ malnourishment gaani, all these things are related to mental level. If mother feels depressive during her antenatal period, definitely the child will be depressive. అందుకే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ గా ఉన్న మదర్స్ చెత్త సీరియల్స్ కానీ ఆ ఏడుగుగొట్టు ప్రోగ్రాములు కానీ ఎవడో ఏదో అయిపోయాడు కానీ ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని చూడకపోవడం మంచిది. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే you have to educate the public. Whenever an antenatal mother comes to you, your PHC, you have the best advice not to being depressive and not to see any kind of depressive things. Serials gaani, cinemalu gaani, ఏడుగొట్టు ప్రోగ్రాములు gaani, nothing. And the mother also should not feel any depressive kind of things. Why? Because definitely depression అనేది చైల్డ్ లో కూడా వస్తుంది. And first 5 years of life, so okay, all is good, the baby is born, is well and good, okay. Then the first years of life is very important. There should not be any quarreling between the in the house or from the house between the wife and husband. Why? Because definitely first 5 years of mental health will be affected. Broken families, okay, divorces, all these things definitely will have an effect on the future life. That's why you should not discuss any family related matter in presence of your child. Always గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. And you have to educate the persons also, educate the public also. Should not always, there should not be any quarrel between wife and husband or any between relatives in between in front of children. You should not always చిన్న క్వారలింగ్ అయినా కానీ గట్టిగా అరవడం కానీ, ఎందుకంటే వాడు కూడా అరుస్తాడు మా ఎదుటి పర్సన్. ఎందుకంటే మనకి తెలియదు, ఓకే మా అమ్మ అరుస్తుంది, మా నాన్న అరుస్తున్నాడు, మా అన్నయ్య అరుస్తున్నాడు, మా తమ్ముడు అరుస్తున్నాడు, నేను కూడా అరవచ్చు అనమాట. సో ఏమి అవ్వదు అనమాట. అని డెఫినెట్లీ హీఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇన్ హిస్ లేటర్ లైఫ్. దట్స్ వై ఫస్ట్ 5 years ఆల్సో క్రూషియల్. అండ్ మీరు అనుకోవచ్చు, వీనికి చిన్నప్పుడు ఏమర్థమవుతుంది, చిన్న నేటల్ పీరియడ్ లోనే ఏమర్థమవుతుంది? నో, ఆల్ ద చిల్డ్రన్ వర్ born ready to learn everything in this world. They are born readily. వాడు పిల్లలు నేర్చుకోవడానికే పుట్టారు. From the day one also, from the day one, he will know, or the child will know what is social smile. What do you mean by social smile? Anyone? What do you mean by social smile? Simple question. Ma, have you ever been to pediatric department?
Smile of baby, sir. When
ఇష్టమైన
he
వాళ్ళని
smiles.
అలా చూసి నవ్వడం.
ఏనన్నా అర్థం కావట్లా.
So when somebody smiles, the child will look at them and smile back.
Very good ma, Vijita, very good, very good. That is called social smile. ఒక ఇన్ఫాంట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి మనం నవ్వగానే డెఫినెట్లీ హీ విల్ రియాక్ట్ విత్ ద స్మైల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్లాసిక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దట్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఆర్ బోర్న్ రెడీ టు లెర్న్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. వానికి నవ్వు అంటే ఏందో తెలీదు అప్పటి వరకు, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ స్మైల్ అట్ హిమ్, definitely he will smile back to you. That is also one of the what do you call that, learning stages, learning points. At the 3 months of age, he will definitely smile back. That is the classic example for that. Okay, so the first 5 years of life is the crucial period for strong mental health. Then school child, okay, when he starts going to the child, he will tell to know what is the society, how it has been made. And definitely in school life, we should not show any difference with the race, with the gender, with the money things, okay, with the educational things, any good or bad characteristics. These discrimination should not be made at school child life. There should not be any discrimination regarding this. Why I am telling you? Because you should be educating your surrounding system. School ki velle పిల్లలలో రేస్ గురించి కానీ, జాతి గురించి కానీ, కులం గురించి కానీ, మతం గురించి కానీ, రంగు గురించి కానీ, ధనిక పేద గురించి కానీ, వాట్ యు కాల్ దట్, గుడ్ థింగ్స్ బ్యాడ్ థింగ్స్ గురించి కానీ, బాగా చదువుతాడు బాగా చదవలేడు అనే గురించి కానీ, you should not discriminate the school children. Why? Because they are learning. It's a phase of life. If some people do wrong, and some children do wrong, and some people being more naughty, some children will be very calm. Does not mean like that he is a good one or he is a bad one. You should not be discriminating. Whether he does a good thing or a bad thing, always appreciation should be there. If at all it is a bad thing, you have to teach them in a good manner. చెప్పాలి, బాబు ఇది మంచి థింగ్ కాదు, ఫ్యూచర్ లైఫ్ లో నీకు ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ నాట్ ఏ గుడ్ వన్. ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ నాట్ అప్రిషియేట్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ రైట్ నౌ అని నిదానంగా స్కూల్ హెల్త్ లైఫ్ లోనే they should be having a good base for that healthy environment. Then while coming to the adolescence is also an very important stage to lay good foundation for his or her mental health. ఈ స్టేజ్ లో ఎలా ఉంటదంటే, everything they know is correct and everything the other person is telling or doing is wrong. Am I right or wrong? Adolescence age, what is the WHO definition for adolescent age? Yes, anyone? Enana? How will you classify adolescent age group?
10 to 19 years, sir.
Very good, ma. Very good, ma. Anjum. Very good. 10 to or okay. Some book says it's 14 or 13. Okay, it's a range in between 10 to 19 years. 10 to 19 years of age. So in this age, what usually the young adolescent people will think is, I'm always right. I'm always right. Whatever your parent or the person parents teach to them, you are always wrong. These are the perceptions will be in adolescence of life. In this stage only, we have to learn in a good manner. And this is the age for certain addictions. ఎదుటోళ్ళని చూసి స్మోక్ చేయడము, ఎదుటోళ్ళని చూసి డ్రింక్ చేయడము, ఎదుటోళ్ళని చూసి గొప్ప గొప్పగా రెడీ అవడము, గొప్ప గొప్పగా మాట్లాడడము, ఇదే అనుకుంటారు చాలా మంది. బట్ నో, చాలా మంది ఏదో యాక్టివ్ గా ఉంటారు అనమాట. ద టర్న్ టు లెర్న్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ and they are always right and the other person is always wrong. And this is also a crucial life stage where good mental health foundation will be laid. Then coming to old age, మనం అంటుంటాం కదా, ఏజ్ పెరిగే కొద్దీ వీళ్ళకి చాదస్తం ఎక్కువైపోయిందిరా నాయన, వీళ్ళతో వాదించలేమని. ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ ఏజ్ ఆల్సో దే ఫీల్ దట్ certain things are to be made like this only due to their life experiences. After 65 or 70, the people will say this thing will have to be like this only. Some behavioral disorders also with the old age, and some health education and certain counseling is needed for those kind of patients. But what you have to remember is these are the crucial points, crucial stages of life where mental health will be deteriorated and you have to keep it in a balance. Am I clear? Follow avutunnaru kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. So what are the needs of a man or a woman? What a person will seek from others, that is need for affection, definitely from parents, from relatives, from husbands, from wives, from friends, whatever he needs a affection. And the need for belonging, certain people should be feel that I will belong to someone, I will belong to my father, I will be belonging to my brother, my children will be belong to me, but not what do you call that, possessiveness. You should not go into a stage called possessiveness. నాకు కూడా కావాలనుకోవాలి, నాకు మాత్రమే కావాలనుకోకూడదు. దట్ ఈస్ అన్ డిఫరెన్స్. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? నాకు మాత్రమే అండ్ నాకు కూడా. నాకు మాత్రమే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పొసెసివ్నెస్. నాకు కూడా, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బిలాంగింగ్. And need for independence. Yes, every person needs his or her independence up to certain limits only. Certain limits. Your independence should not be affecting other person independence. నా ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అని నువ్వు లౌడ్ మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టుకొని ఇంట్లో గట్టిగా అరిస్తే కుదరదు. Why? Because it should not be affecting the other person independence too. That is the main motto. Need for independence. Yeah, you have independence. What you talk, what you wear, what you learn, what you have towards health, all these things. Constituency lo independent ane daniki chaala definition lo unnai, but right now you don't need for that. Just remember that needs of a man, needs for independence and needs for achievement. You have to make certain goals, certain aims, long-term goals, short-term goals, and you have an achievement for that. and need for recognition and need for approval. Every person will be having the perception that I have to be recognized in my profession or in my things. You should be having a need of approval. Need of approval means whatever you say a valid point, other person will be having an approval for that. Okay, if you are explaining something to, for example, I am telling, you are explaining some valid point to the other person, definitely they will be having your approval, their approval, sorry. And then need for a sense of personal worth and need for self-actualization. Sense of personal worth. Yes, I am being worthful to everybody or to somebody, not in a bad manner, in a good manner. And self-actualization, that means self-realization. That means the person will know what are the pros and cons of himself or herself, what he is capable of and what he is not capable of. That is called self-actualization. These are the needs of man or a woman or a person. So what are the various preventive aspects regarding this mental health? Okay, so many things for that. Primary thing, secondary thing, primary prevention, tertiary, secondary prevention, and tertiary prevention. So in primary prevention, improving the social environment and promotion of social, physical and mental well-being of the people. Improving the social environment. So if at all some broken families will be there, okay, divorces is there, some kind of orphanages, all these things will affect the mentally, and that's why we have to improve his or her social environment. Okay, always positive attitude unna people madhyane unchali. If at all the child is diagnosed with a depression or autism, we have to put him in a positive attitude people. Then only you will have proper preventive effects towards his mental health. This is the primary prevention. Then comes to the secondary prevention. The screening programs will be done in schools, universities, industries, and recreation centers also should be there. That's why a lot of extracurricular activities has been adding to your educational programs nowadays. That's why చదువు ఒకటే కాదు నాన్న, education is not only a thing in life. A lot of extracurricular activities has been implemented in your curriculum. At the same time, you should not be always extracurricular. You should have your primary focus on your primary goal. To reach that primary goal, you have to set a lot of things. ఎప్పుడు చదువు అంటే కుదరదు. మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంది, మీరు ఎంబీబీఎస్ పాస్ అవ్వాలి, మంచి పీజీ సీటు కొట్టాలి, మంచి డాక్టర్ గా అవ్వాలి. దీస్ ఆర్ ద లాంగ్ టర్మ్ గోల్స్. ఓకే, టు అచీవ్ దీస్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ గోల్స్ యూ షుడ్ బి హ్యావింగ్ సర్టన్ medium term goals. Likewise, you should be completing your medicine, MBBS complete cheyali. Then you have to complete your internship. నేను మీ ఆస్పెక్ట్ లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, నాట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. లైక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దెన్ నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి, దానికి ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. షార్ట్ టర్మ్ గోల్స్ యూ విల్ బి ఫినిషింగ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్. ప్రతి సెమిస్టర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. యా, ఇప్పుడు నా షార్ట్ టర్మ్ గోల్ ఏంటంటే ఈ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, ఈ ఇంటర్నల్ పాస్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ ఇయర్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాస్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ ప్రాక్టికల్స్ పాస్ అయిపోవాలి. దట్స్ వై యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ యువర్ goals and tend to achieve those things. Okay, or casework or counseling for family services. And in tertiary prevention, reduce the duration of mental illness through rehabilitation centers. Okay, we will discuss all these things. And these are the mental health services. This slide is very, very important. The question will be like this: What are the various mental health services provided under National Mental Health Program or National Mental Health Services? And these are the mental health services. That is early diagnosis, treatment, rehabilitation, group psychotherapy and individual psychotherapy, mental health education, use of modern psychoactive drugs, and aftercare services. Ma, make a note. This is very important. Ma, am I clear? Are you people able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I need feedback from other people too. అసలు ఇంతవరకు మాట్లాడిన వాళ్ళే ఉన్నారు గ్రూప్ లో. మాట్లాడాలి.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So these are the mental health services: early diagnosis and treatment, rehabilitation, group and individual psychotherapy, mental health education, use of psychoactive drugs, and aftercare services. And these are the comprehensive mental health program. So that is services provided in a comprehensive mental health program. These are the, so they should be having inpatient services, OPD services, emergency services, diagnostic services, pre-care and aftercare, and educational services, training, research and evaluation. Ma, prati word important. Every word is important regarding this. So these are the psychotropic drugs. So each and individual will be there. Ma, Jyoti Prakash, ఇంకా ఎంత టైం ఉంది క్లాస్ అయిపోవడానికి? నాకేం తెలియట్లేదు ఇందులో, మళ్ళీ టక్మన ఆగిపోతుంది. ఎంతకు పెట్టారు వీళ్ళు? 11:30, 12:30. Within 5 minutes it will complete. Yes, anyone?
Sir.
Okay. So alcoholism and drug dependence, these things will be discussed on in your next class. So what is the National Mental Health Program? What are the drugs which causes psychological effect? All these things will be discussed in further classes. But up to now clear kada? Exam vaste రాయగలరు కదా, రాయాలి కూడా. Regarding mental health, you have to give the definition, and you have to give the good mental health person how he feels, and what are the warning signals or poor signs, and what are the classification of behavioral disorders and mental health disorders, and what are the etiological factors or risk factors for these mentally ill health patient, and what are the needs of a man, what are the services provided for those kind of people, and what are the preventive measures provided in this kind of patients, and what are the drugs which causes this alcoholism and drug dependence, which in turn causes behavioral disorders, and national health program for this. So the definition of the drug: so any substance that when taken into the living organism may modify one or more of its function according to WHO. Then what do you mean by drug abuse? What do you mean by abuse? This is the term which has been used very frequently in your day-to-day life. What do you mean by drug abuse? Self-administration of a drug for non-medical reasons. Remember, self-administration of a drug for non-medical reasons in quantities and frequencies both in quantities and frequencies, which may impair an individual's ability to function effectively and which may result in social, physical or emotional harm. Nana, as it is royally drug abuse, as it is royally. So this is the definition: self-administration of a drug for non-medical reasons in quantities and frequencies which may impair individual perception or individual ability to function effectively and which cause social harm, physical harm and emotional harm to himself or to others. Okay, ఇంతటితో క్లాస్ ఆపేద్దాం. In next classes we will be dealing with what are all the factors associated with this, what are all the drug dependence, and what are the drugs producing dependence. All these things will be learning in next class. Okay Nama, clear? Are we clear up to now?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So how are you people? Okay, అందరూ హెల్దీగానే ఉన్నారు కదా? అమ్మాయిలు అబ్బాయిలు
Yes, sir.
ఓవర్ హెల్దీ అయిపోయినాం సార్ అంటారా?
Yes, sir.
ఏంటి ఓవర్ హెల్తీయా? Okay, okay, whatever. Please do maintain your physical health and mental health. Keep your health in a good manner. Okay. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి, సరేనా? అటెండెన్స్ అందరూ పెట్టారు కదా?